Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in YouCut. First, open the YouCut app and tap the template option on the main screen. This will display a wide selection of pre-designed video styles. You can browse through different categories like vlogs, intros, or social media posts. Choose a template that best suits your video's theme or purpose. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your project. Once you've found a template you like, tap it to see a preview of its elements. This lets you visualize how your content will look. After previewing, select Use Template to bring it into your editing workspace. The template will appear with placeholder clips. Now, you can easily replace these with your own media, such as photos or video segments, directly from your device's gallery. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: editing can be thirsty work, so stay hydrated anywhere with the fantastic Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After adding your media, you can further customize the template. Tap on individual clips to adjust their duration or reorder them on the timeline. You can also edit any text elements, changing fonts, colors, and even animations to match your brand or style. Don't forget to review the audio. You can swap out the template's music or add your own sound effects to enhance the video. Before exporting, give your video a final polish. YouCut allows you to add extra filters, fun stickers, or even record a voiceover to personalize your creation. Always preview the entire video from start to finish to catch any errors and ensure everything flows perfectly. Once satisfied, tap the Export button. You can then choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, like 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, for the final output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.